Hey shoppers, today we have a mini electric kettle we got from Amazon. It's super cute, lightweight, great for a dorm room, traveling, camping. This is a beautiful white color. This is the base it sits on. It has a hidden cord, which is really nice because you don't have cords and a mess all over your counter. And a user manual, how to operate it and care for it. The way this hidden cord works is that you just simply pull it out when you're ready to use it. And when you want to wrap the cord, you just spin it here on the bottom. Plugs right into the wall. Inside here you can see there is a max. We have water filled up and you power it on by simply clicking this button that's conveniently on the top here. Sits on the base. Here's the lid. All right, you just hit the button to power it on. You can see that it lights up right here. And soon you will have boiling water. Okay, our water is boiling. Do you hear that? Ready for tea.